Siemens offers groundbreaking digitalization, automation, and technology solutions for machine tools. An integrated portfolio of software, automation solutions, and technological expertise supports machine builders and operators in their work. From the idea for a new machine to continuous optimization during operation, the holistic Siemens portfolio has been designed to deliver high quality, efficiency, and maximum productivity at all times. Siemens software for machine design, engineering, and commissioning helps to significantly reduce the time to market for new machines. Cloud-based applications offer all the advantages when working on a shared data basis. Intelligent tools turn construction, production planning, and machine tools into smooth, highly efficient manufacturing processes across sites. Manufacturing and machinery are continuously analyzed. The acquired data creates transparency and allows hitherto unrealized optimization potential to be identified and tapped. SINUMERIK hardware from Siemens stands for scalability, intuitive operating concepts, and open interfaces. Dynamics converters, Simodix motors, and spindle solutions from Weiss bring impressive dynamics and accuracy to machinery and workpieces. Siemens Machine Tool Systems is the only CNC manufacturer to serve all key and groundbreaking technologies with its unrivaled, highly diverse portfolio. Regardless of the technology and batch size, SINUMERIK offers machine builders and operators a holistic operating concept, the perfect basis for flexibility and economy throughout the entire life cycle. SINUMERIK, a powerful system for machine tools. Siemens, a strong partner for digitalization, automation, and technology.